For question 3, answer the following about the compound formaldehyde. A. What is the molar mass of this compound? Show your work. So, the compound for formaldehyde is H2CO. There are 2 hydrogen molecules, so I have 2 times the atomic mass of the element, which is 1.008 grams over moles. I got that number from this periodic table. The hydrogen is over here, the 1.0079. Rounded that up to 8. I have 1 carbon. I found 12.01 grams per mole. Oxygen, 1 times 16. I added the hydrogen, multiplied the hydrogen, carbon, and oxygen, added them all up to get 30.026. So I have 30.026 grams per mole. Draw the Lewis structure of formaldehyde. Explain what the lines and dots show in this structure. So this is the Lewis structure for formaldehyde. There is the carbon in the middle, the 2 hydrogens off that, and then an oxygen. This represents a bond, which is 2 electrons that go from here to here and here to here. This is a double bond, so there are 2 electrons per bond. So this is a total combo of 4. So I have 2, 4, 6, 8 electrons for the carbon, and this one only has 2, 4, and this needs 8 valence electrons to become stable. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 lone pairs of electrons, which gives it 2, 4, 6, 8 valence electrons. What is the molecular shape of formaldehyde? Explain how you use the information shown in the Lewis structure to determine your molecular shape name. So this element is trigonal planar, or molecule is trigonal planar. It has 3 bonds and 0 lone pairs. I found that off this table where it has trigonal planar right here, and it has 3 bonds, and this one says 1 lone pair, this one has no lone pairs. So 3 bonds, 0 lone pairs. And this middle element has 1, 2, 3 bonds and no lone pairs, so it is trigonal planar. Part D. Would you expect formaldehyde to be polar or nonpolar? Explain how you know, being sure to discuss bond polarity and or molecular shape. So, these carbon to hydrogen bonds are slightly polar. The carbon is slightly more electronegative than the hydrogen, so there is a small amount of polarity here. And the oxygen to carbon bond, oxygen is much more electronegative than carbon, so it is very polar here, so making this whole whole molecule polar.